Well, good morning. Bad news. I just had my drone out, trying to get a drone shot. Trying to get a drone shot for y'all, you know, and me, because I like those. And the freaking thing would not focus on anything. Had the drone in the air and everything. But I don't want to be too late to work, so had to land the drone. I'll try to figure it out later because can't have a video without drone shots, you know. Anyways, we're headed north. It's about 6 in the morning right now. We got a 7:30 start time, so we got a little bit of time to get there. We're gonna go fuel up and go haul some dirt. Let's do it. Gotta love these X15 Jakes, you know. Who even needs brakes anymore, right? We're headed down the canyon, so even though I am definitely recording this hands-free, I'm gonna put the camera down. See y'all in a little bit. We got fuel, and we got fuel for our body. Breakfast this morning, brought to you by Maverick. You guessed it. Chorizo burrito. It's pretty good. You ought to try it. Anyways, it's about 7:10 now, still northbound, got a little ways to go. I'm gonna eat my burrito, drink my coffee, and we'll see you at the job site. We made it, getting loaded with the first load here. I gotta get my paperwork filled out, so I'm gonna do that. And I didn't charge any of my freaking batteries, so I got my GoPro plugged in and my drone and stuff, so hopefully we can get some good footage today. Anyways, I'm gonna fill some of this paperwork out. First load is dumped. Got it on the drone that time, except for the freaking SD card ran out when I was like mid-dump. So hopefully I can get the drone out again later and get another one. But it is fun to see. I was trying to figure out the tracking, and I kind of figured it out, but it was like losing the truck, so it wouldn't track it all the time. I don't know. Anyways, we're getting it figured out. All this technology is a little hard, but we'll get there. Anyways, we're gonna head back, go sit in some traffic. I noticed there was a wreck on the freeway northbound, and traffic was pretty bad, so we're gonna go sit in traffic and enjoy ourselves and get another load and just keep doing this all day long. Made it back to get loaded again. The traffic did suck. I had one car cut me off. I had to blast the air horn at, but you'll have that, you know. Honestly, one's pretty good. Anyways, I'm gonna let some of these batteries charge, probably get the GoPro going and do some driving video and see what other kind of fun video we can get. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a little bit later on. Site here, trying a little different camera angles. I got a new mount for my GoPro, so I can kind of just clip it on, and that's been super nice. It looks like the brightness is a little screwed up though, so you can't see the road. But anyways, we'll get it figured out one of these days. It's kind of dark in this truck, so I think the camera has a hard time seeing the outside, you know. Any words? Southbound. About another, honestly I have no idea how many miles, a few miles. And we'll get off and get this load dumped. Load number 3.
Hey!
What up, man?
Out of you?
Yeah, dude.
Doing a little filming. Were you talking to the camera?
I'd leave you out there, but I don't trust this mount. Freaking GoPro would fall. Green light. Well, between phone calls and trucking, time got away from me. Last load here. We did 7 loads today. It's 4 o'clock right now, a little after 4. We're gonna get this one dumped off and just burn it home about as fast as we can. So yeah, if you enjoy the trucking videos, let me know in the comments and we'll keep them coming. If you really liked it, you could leave a like, and if you really liked it, you could subscribe to see more. Maybe some more videos on this old truck too, you know, trying to get it shined up one of these days. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.